Hey guys, Wicked here. Today we're going to unbox, install, and review the Tetra HT30 aquarium heater. The first thing that you're going to notice about this is there is no external knob to help adjust the temperature. It's all controlled inside. Alright, let's go ahead and start unboxing, see what we've got inside. Doesn't look like there's very much in here. We've got the unit itself, simple compact design. Again, no external knob. The only other thing that they've included in this box is a short instruction manual, but not too many people read those. Okay guys, that was one of the most intense unboxing experiences I've ever had. I had to take a break, get some brine shrimp thawed out, feed these guys before I start messing up their back corner of the tank on them a little bit while we install the new heater. Decided to give you guys a little tank tour. That long heater right there is going to be the one that we're replacing. That heater unfortunately stopped being able to turn back on once it had turned off. You kind of had to beat on it to get it working again. Alright, back to work, and we've got the old heater out. Time to get the new heater in. Excuse me, little angelfish. Originally I was contemplating mounting the heater horizontally because I thought it was compact enough where it was going to fit. After getting it in the tank, it looks like mounting it vertically is going to make more sense. I think the warm water will rise straight up into the wave maker and help circulate that warm water around the tank pretty quickly.